class. My name is Ron Desi and I'll be your professor as we walk through this specific training series. And in this training series, I'm going to talk about and teach you the one type of video and the formula that you need to follow in order to get the results that you want on your website. Now, there's a specific 7-step procedure that this video has. And this video, it's called a call to action. So this call to action video, some people call it a sales video, but I really don't like that term. I like the term, it's a call to action video. And we all know what a call to action is. A call to action is when you tell someone to do something, whether it's through an email, whether it's through a web page, a landing page, a video, but it's a specific action step that you want your prospective customer to take. So in this video, I'm just going to go through point by point these 7 steps. I'm not going to elaborate in each step because each one of these steps has its own video to really delve into the details. So the first step is going to be the hook. So basically in this call to action video, the first step is the hook, and that hook is the 5 to 10 seconds that you need to use to capture the attention of the viewer. You want to try to get that viewer to encourage them to continue watching the video. And so I'm going to talk about in the hook video all of the elements of that 5 to 10 seconds and how to make the hook a great hook so that your customer gets hooked and pulled in to watch the rest of the video. The next is the logo reveal. Now the logo reveal is an optional part. Sometimes you may want to do it, sometimes you may not to, but we'll go over that specific step and when it's more appropriate and when you may not want to use it. But the second step is the logo reveal. The third step is introducing yourself, trying to build yourself up as an authority, as an expert on a specific topic. People are going to ask, why am I even watching this video? And this person who I'm watching, how is this person qualified to say anything he or she is saying? Well, by introducing yourself, you answer that question. That is another optional part, but it's a strong part that I suggest everyone does. The next one, number 4, is the pain. So this is the specific area where you want to address the pain that a customer feels. You have a purpose to this video, and again, it's a call to action. But in order for the person, the customer, the viewer to take action, they have to be presented the pain that they're feeling. And that pain could be anything, and we'll discuss that in that specific video. So number 4 is talking about and identifying the pain. The next step is the relief. So the idea here is you want to have the customer imagine a world, a life, their business without that specific pain. Number 6, step 6, is the solution. So the solution is exactly the way it sounds. It's your specific solution to their specific pain, not problem, but pain. So again, number 6 is the solution. Finally, number 7 is the call to action. At the end of the video, you specify what that call to action is. So those are the 7 steps, and again, I'll go over these quickly, and hopefully in post-production, I'm going to put these to the side. But number 1 is the hook. Number 2 is the logo reveal. Number 3 is introducing yourself. Number 4 is the pain. Number 5 is the relief. Number 6 is the solution. And number 7 is the call to action. So that's all I have for this introduction video. I'm going to try to make these videos short, to the point, and impactful so that you can start creating this type of video ASAP. So thanks, and I'll see you in the next video, which is we're going to talk about the hook. So take care, and I'll see you in the next video.